In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make voice sound angry in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide the model to deliver a convincing, angry performance that still sounds natural and clear. Once you're in the ElevenLabs app, start by opening the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll do all your work, from choosing a voice to entering the lines you want spoken. Think of this page as your studio booth. It's where script, direction, and performance come together. Next, choose the voice you want. Pick one that fits the kind of anger you're aiming for. A deeper, rougher voice often reads as intense or stern, while a brighter voice can sound sharp or irritated. You don't have to overthink it. Just choose a voice whose baseline tone matches the mood you want. You can always swap voices later if the emotion isn't landing the way you expect. Now add your script to the text box. Write the exact words you want spoken and keep sentences short and deliberate for stronger impact. Punctuation matters here. Commas create quick breaths, periods slow things down, and exclamation marks signal heightened intensity. If your line has a turning point, break it into 2 sentences so the model can hit both beats cleanly. To push the delivery toward anger, include a clear direction inside your text, like "I am mad, angry." Bracketed cues such as angry, frustrated, and intense help the model shape the performance without you needing complicated settings. Place the emotion cue right after the line or at the start of a section. You can also add brief style notes like louder, faster, or short pause to control energy and pacing. For example, I warned you 3 times. Angry, firm, slower. Short, plain words usually sound harsher and more direct, which suits an angry read. Avoid long, flowery sentences if you want the delivery to feel tight and forceful. When your script and cues are set, click Generate Speech. Listen closely on the first pass. If the anger sounds too flat, strengthen your wording, tighten punctuation, and make the emotion cue more specific. Try angry, sharp, or angry, controlled. If it's over the top, soften with angry, restrained, and add a slower pace. You can also try a different voice to change the texture of the emotion. Sometimes a subtle timbre shift makes all the difference. That's it. Click Generate, Review, and Refine until the emotion hits exactly where you need it. With clear direction and concise phrasing, ElevenLabs will deliver a convincing, angry voice that stays intelligible and powerful.